How you can easily switch between your Facebook accounts. If you have multiple accounts and want to switch seamlessly, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, open up your Facebook and make sure you're logged into one of your accounts. And from here, just tap on your menu and you will see this option right here. You can tap on this drop down and it will show up every possible profile you have on your phone. So here you have an option to log into another account and you can choose your account from here, or if you already have an account logged in, you can just choose the account and it will show up. But if it is not showing up, then what you can do is just go back to your other profile and make an other account, then log in like so. So just tap here and create a Facebook profile. Now from here you can create a personal profile or a page and add this as your account, and you can switch between them as well. And that's how you can add or switch between your Facebook profiles. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.